Hey everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do product research using Seller Amp and Keepa for your Amazon FBA business. But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where you guys can join my free weekly calls and also network with other sellers. I'm going to put the link in my description below, and that way you guys can join the free group. So with that said, here's the video for today, and the first step you guys need to do is you guys need to open up your Amazon product page and then open up your supplier product page, right? And then you guys need to just double check if the products match. So, I would look at the title, description, color, size, right, of the product. And then from here, you guys are going to take the cost, right, of the product. So this product is $7.99 from Walgreens, and there's also other discounts here. So first, I'm going to plug the cost right here on Seller Amp. Oh, this one is a 2-pack. I'm sorry. So $7.99 times 2 is $16, right? $16. And then I'm going to run the discount. So it's giving me 20% off, right? Right here. So I'm going to go to Seller Amp and then go to discounts and then plug in 20% right there. So now you guys are getting at least 31% ROI, right? On this purchase. Let's see, and then, well, this one's not really a discount code. It's more of a cashback. So if you spend $15, right? For every $15, you're getting a $5 Walgreens. So Walgreens cash rewards, right? So for this one, I'm just not going to edit, right? Or maybe I should. So hold on a second. So spend $15 and earn. Well, you can also deduct $5 more, right? Because you're getting a $5 cash reward on your purchase, or if you want, you can use this $5 cash back on your next purchase. It's really up to you guys, but for this example, though, you guys are getting enough ROI already anyway. So you're getting 31% ROI on here, and then 113 sales a month. So I would go under offers to check the competition. So there's 113 sales a month, right? Right here. So now you need to decide if you're willing to share 113 sales a month with 13 other sellers with this much inventory and with this much ROI, right? So to me, it's okay because 131, it's a lot of sales a month to share, and also we're starting off with a very high ROI here, 30%. And then I also look at the Keepa chart. So, I mean, the price here is kind of concerning, honestly, because it used to be lower before. I mean, recently it's been jumping up, to like $28. Let's see the full year. Yeah, so as far as the past 3 months, yeah, the price is pretty up and down, honestly. So, but as of late, though, right, the price of the product is setting at, I want to say like 28, 29, $30. And you can also see it here, right, on your Seller Amp. So it's been jumping between 28 to like $30. It's giving you a 30% to about 58% ROI. So to me, this is good because you're getting a lot of sales per month, right? 113 sales a month, right there. And then you guys are getting a 30% ROI minimum, right? So to me, this is a good product. Next product is, what is this? winter goggles. Let's see, so they look like the same. So the price on this website is $75. Let's see if there's any sales or coupons. I don't see anything. So 75, right? That's interesting. 75. And the sale price on Amazon is 79, which is not great. So let me just double check the other sellers. If the other sellers are pricing this higher, so they're not. Interesting. Yeah, so for this one, I'm not sure if I'm missing anything. I mean, I don't think so, but maybe the supplier jacked up the price to $75 because obviously, right, the numbers are not adding up here. The cost is 75. The sale price is about $80. There's really no margin here. It's giving me a negative ROI. So yeah, this one's a bad product, obviously. So this one's gonna be skipped. Let's close these ones. Next product. This one's giving me 20% off. Let's click it. Okay, so there's a 20% off coupon, right there. So I would take note of this coupon, and then here it's also giving me a 5% reward with Kohl's. This one is $42. Wait, $42. Wait a second. It's not adding up. $42, and the selling price on Amazon is 16. Okay, so $42. Sale price on Amazon is, oh man, I hate when this happens. Sale price on Amazon is about $40 to $50. This is not adding up. So if you plug in the discounts, right? So plug in the discounts. I'm getting stuck here. So 25%. Yeah, it's still going to be a negative ROI. So I'm not sure what happened here. I think the supplier jacked up the price also, and that's why there's no room for profit here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And again, I talked about how to use Seller App and Keepa to pick products for Amazon FBA business. So if you guys enjoyed the video, I'm going to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group. I'm going to put the link in my description below. That way you guys can join my free weekly calls and also network with other sellers. So with that said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.